Alright, today what we're going to attempt to do is turn this into a Mjolnir or Thor's hammer pendant for a necklace. This started out as a piece of 1/2 inch rebar, and I turned it into this for today's purposes. Alright, so we're going to try and isolate about 1 inch of material out of the end of this. That'll become the head of the hammer. We'll establish our shoulder there. Alright, so now since we have the head isolated, we're going to start working on the handle and drawing that back. This will obviously be a lot more material than we need, so we'll have to cut it off at some point, but I wanted enough to be able to grab a hold of it. We just continue to draw the handle out where we want it. Keep everything flat now, it'll be easier to deal with later. Now, since we got that spread out a little, we'll work on the head a little bit. Something similar to that. And we'll do a little bit of bevel work here, knock the corners off of this one. Center line across there and smooth everything out. Now we'll work on the handle. Alright, now let's stretch the handle out just a little more. Make it even. Now we'll cut the handle off here and put a loop on it. Alright, so now we'll cut this off to the length that we want it. I'm going to say somewhere around there. So we'll set down here for the loop. Curl the loop over. Alright, now we'll fold over this little loop here. And now we'll just finish it. Little beeswax to pretty it up right fast. And then we end up with a Mjolnir pendant.